I'm going to show you the sweep method for this one. I've got a lot of denominators and they're all kind of similar. So if I get a common denominator for all of them, all of the denominators, it would be a b. So this guy would need a b. Again, my fancy form of 1. I'll multiply him by b. I'll multiply him top and bottom by a. Again, 1, multiplying by 1, not changing this. Multiply him by a over a, multiply him by b over b. So now they all have the same denominator, ab, 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 ab. And my student taught me this. Her teacher taught her to then draw a broom and sweep all the denominators away. So I can sweep all the denominators away and only be left with my numerators. So my numerators are a minus b times b minus a plus b times a, and then those got swept away, and then the bottom is a minus b times a plus b times b. The reason we're allowed to sweep the denominators away is, again, because of our fafus. We can multiply top and bottom, get out of the way, Mr. Broom, top and bottom by a plus b, right? Top and bottom by that fancy form of 1. When it distributes to the top, it'll knock that guy out, and then it'll knock that guy out. And when this guy distributes to the bottom, he'll knock out those denominators there. So, for complex fractions, if you can get all the denominators to match, you can draw your broom, sweep them away. It's quite nice. So now, we're looking at this, and let's simplify this some more. So I'm looking to see if there's any common factors that I can factor out, any GCF, but no. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply it out. I'll have ab minus b squared minus a squared minus ab. Be very, very careful that that minus distributes to both. It's so common to just subtract the first one, but why would you just subtract the first one? You're subtracting the whole thing. Alright, there we go. And so we have this guy distributing. I'll have a squared minus ab, and then plus ab plus b squared. So now, ab's go away on the top. So I have minus b squared minus a squared. And then on the bottom, I have minus ab plus ab, and so that'll be a squared plus b squared on the bottom. I'm seeing strange things, so I'm going to go ahead and factor out a negative on the top. I don't like all those negatives. And oh, check that out. A squared plus b squared, a squared plus b squared, they're the same. It all boils down to a -1. How cool is that?